Good morning. This is cycle 1 of the ARRL net for July 16, 2016. This net meets Monday through Saturday at 10 a.m., 10:15 a.m. on Sunday on the Nobark Mount Greylock K1 FFK 146.91 repeater with a PL of 162.2. The purpose of this net is to handle any messages between the cities and towns of western Massachusetts and provide liaison to the first region net that meets on 3.948 kilohertz at 1:45 p.m. local time. This is a directed net. Please do not break the net unless you have emergency or priority traffic. Please do not leave the net without first informing the net control station whenever possible. Your net control station today is Kilo Alpha 1 Juliet Oscar Uniform, KA1JOU. My name is Ken, Kilo Echo November, and I am located in Peterborough, New Hampshire. At this time, are there any stations holding emergency or priority traffic? Please call net control. We are now looking for our first region liaison station, AB1TC, Paul. Please call and list any traffic. Nothing heard. Now net control is looking for any station holding traffic or announcements for the net.
Here be November 1, Quebec Oscar Victor N1QO in Pittsfield, running commercial power. Commercial. I have no traffic for the net. Usual announcements in two parts after check-ins. Please, Ken.
Now, and are there any stations wishing to check in to the Western Mass traffic net? Please check in now.
This is November 1, Oscar Bravo Lima, Tony Mobile in Pittsfield, no traffic, battery power.
This is Kilo Charlie 1 November Bravo Delta, Scott in Belchertown, commercial power, no traffic. Good morning to the net.
This is Kilo Charlie 1, Delta Alpha X-Ray, David in Springfield, commercial power, no traffic. Good morning, Ken. Good morning to the net. In and out, please, Ken.
This is November 6, Tango Oscar Lima. This is Mike in Wilmington, Vermont. No traffic.
I need a couple of fills here. KC1 NB. Oh, Scott, what is your power source?
KC1NBD, commercial power.
Thank you, Scott. Sorry I messed up your call sign. And N6TOM, please give me your name and power source.
Hello, this is Mike, short for Michael in Wilmington, Vermont. Power source is mobile power source, 12 volts. And the call is November 6, Tango Oscar Lima. November 6, Tango Oscar Lima.
Sorry about that, Mike. Are there any other stations wishing to check into the Western Mass traffic net at this time?
Here is Kilo Charlie 1 Echo Echo Echo. Brian, Florida Mass, battery power, no traffic. Good morning, everyone.
Brian, could you please repeat your call sign? You dropped out of the repeater.
Call signs Kilo Charlie 1 Echo Echo Echo. KC1 Triple E.
Thank you, Brian. Net recognizes N1QOV N1OBL Tony, KC1MBD Scott, NC1DAX David, N6TOL Mike, and KC1EEE Brian. Are there any other stations wishing to check in? Nothing heard. Go ahead with cycle 1 of your announcement, Toby.
Okay, thanks, Ken. 3 mega, whatever. Anyway, for the newer people, these nets are being recorded at my call sign on YouTube or Ustream if you care to check out your signal or whatever. And I guess Newcomers Roundtable this Monday, being the third Monday of the month, if I can read a calendar correctly. Newcomers Roundtable, 7:30. This repeater, all welcome informal get together. What's the scratchies there? For those that don't know, this repeater is on the new Yaesu Fusion, whatever the heck that stuff is. Both analog and digital. Probably figured out they're cycle 2. Cycle 2 of the traffic net at 1 p.m. is being run 7 days a week. We've added Saturday and Sunday. What do we got here? Sunday morning, starting at 8:30, the HF Western Mass Emergency Net 3944. And then the no bark repeaters Emergency Net, starting at 9 until 10 a.m. What a 2 meter, 6 meter, 440 and 220. Okay, what do you got here? Pass of the ISS. Next pass is tomorrow morning at 0131 off the East Coast, coming up the East Coast. Over the ocean, more or less. Aboard the ISS, looks like they're active on packet radio. Last heard 6 hours ago, roughly. We got for maybe hazardous weather coming up soon. The chance of non-severe thunderstorms late this afternoon and into tonight, ahead of an upper level disturbance. Currently in Pittsfield, what do we have here? 70. Let me do a refresh. Roughly 70 degrees. 71 degrees. Wind out of north at 9. And it looks pretty nice out there. Anyway, we'll call that round 1. Back to net.
Thank you, Obi. Are there any other stations wishing to check into the Western Mass traffic net? Nothing heard. Obi, give us round 2.
Okay, before I forget, I stopped by the morning breakfast this morning in Pittsfield where we have six participants and myself taking pictures. Pictures are up on my Facebook page, and one small video. What else is shaking here? Today in the USA, and we're celebrating for some strange reason the National Strawberry Rhubarb Day. Oh, love that strawberry rhubarb pie. National Corn Fritters Day. National Personal Chef Day. There's Julia Chow when you need her. Toss away the cold halves and the wood halves day, whatever that is. I don't know. Anyway, on the other list, corn fritter day, fresh spinach day. Gotta wash it good though; it's gritty. National Woody Wagon. The Woody Wagon, not the Red Wagon. Woody Wagon. A little do scoop. And elsewhere in the world, La Paz local festival in Bolivia. What do you got there? 10? I don't know. Lunes del Cerro in Mexico, Old Mexico. The Virgin del Carmen in Peru. How you top the Andes? WC, whatever it is. What's that shortwave station? World Snake Day. And still celebrating Oban of the Shinto religion, mainly in Nippon. On the other list, what's today? The 16th, 16. Brunei HM, the Sultan of Brunei, in Our Lady of Mount Carmel in Chile. No Bark News. What do you got here? No Bark News. No Bark Campus, Sunday, August 28th. In Adams, Bullfield, which is the Adams Agricultural Fairgrounds, west side of Route 8 in Adams, Massachusetts. VE session, 9 a.m. Gates open 6:30. Sellers, buyers 7 a.m. $5 to get in, 12 free, under 12 free. A bunch of prizes here. One of those new digital KA1JOU mobiles and a bunch of handhelds. Talking on this repeater 9-1 and winding down here next flea market tomorrow. At MIT in Cambridge, Mass. What do we got here? HF contests and stuff. Russian radio team championship. Trans-Tasmanian low bands, 160, 80, and 40. DMC RIDI. Held digital thingy. North American QSO party RIDI. CQ Worldwide VHF contest 6 and 2. Great Britain low power contest CW. Let's see, that's this weekend. Then Run for the Bacon comes up next week, and finally, no, not finally, almost. Solar flux currently at 102. A is 11. K is 2. Count is 73. And yes, finally. What do I have here? VHF, UHF openings according to the APRS data collection, whatever it is there at K12, Minnesota. Opening stretching from like South Carolina up in through up to Connecticut, Rhode Island, western part of Massachusetts, eastern New York, and into, I have to say it, Canada, you hoser. Back to net.
Thank you, Ovi. Last call for any stations wishing to check into the Western Mass traffic net before I close the net.
Rick in Dalton, Massachusetts. Negative traffic this morning, and I'm on commercial power. Good morning, Net.
Rick, could you please give me your call sign?
Cut me off in the beginning. November 1. Sierra Yankee November.
I didn't get the prefix, Rick. You didn't make the repeater.
The new repeater. Thanks for reminding me. Have a good afternoon.
I still didn't get your complete call sign, Rick.
All right, I waited 3 seconds. November 1. Sierra Yankee November. How's that?
That was great, Rick. Yeah, I guess we got to just kind of hesitate before we start talking. It seems to key up kind of slowly. Anyway, thank you.
My wife tells me the same thing all the time.
The Western Mass Traffic Net. Nothing heard. With that, this closes the cycle 1 of the ARRL Western Mass Traffic Net. I'd like to thank the Northern Berkshire Amateur Radio Club for the use of the Mount Greylock K1 SSK 146.91 repeater. The time is now 10 hours and 15 minutes. I now return the repeater back to normal amateur radio use. Thank you to all the stations who checked in. This is Kilo Alpha 1 Juliet Oscar Uniform, now signing clear, 73.
Net control. This is N1S again. My wife gives me the same words of wisdom all the time. I should wait before I open my mouth.
Yeah, shouldn't we all, Rick? That our tongue gets us in trouble.
Yes, it does. Yes, it does. Okay, everybody have a good weekend. N1S clear.
You do the same, Rick.